A very common question that a lot of SPSS users ask is which SPSS modules do I actually have installed? So SPSS Statistics is comprised of a base system that provides a lot of the core functionality, but there are a number of optional add-on modules which appear as additional dialog boxes which enrich the base functionality, and these optional add-on modules provide additional functionality in specific areas such as time series analysis or decision trees or advanced statistics. And it's very easy to find out which modules you have installed in your copy of SPSS by running a simple syntax command. Let's have a look at how that's done. To find out which modules you have installed within your copy of SPSS Statistics, you need to open a syntax window. And to do that, you go to the File menu, click on New, and click on Syntax. The syntax window is opened, and all you need to click in, type into this syntax window are the words show license with a full stop on the end, highlight that command and hit the run selection button, and it produces some output telling you which licenses you have installed and when they'll expire. And as a reminder, if you want to find out more about these individual modules and what they do, you can go to the Smart Vision Europe website, look up SPSS Statistics, and click on any one of the module descriptions and be provided with a 2-minute quick overview and video demonstration of what each module does.